Create an SMS API in 5 minutes with AWS SNS and NodeJS. I've created this Git project here, link in the description, and I'm just going to quickly create an API to send SMS messages, and I'm just going to go through the process of setting that up here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just copy that. I'm going to create a new folder. I'll go into this folder that I've already created. I'm going to git clone. There we go. Here it says CD, so CD AWS SNS dir. Okay, so we've got some files here. I'm just going to open this up using code because that's my editor of choice. Over here we have this file called env.example. What we need to do is rename that to being env, like so. And now I have to get the AWS access key, secret key, and region. Let's do that. Okay, so I've logged into my AWS, and I'm more specifically in the I am section here. I'm going to create a user, and I'm going to call this user SMS Sender, like that. And I'm going to give it programmatic access, okay? Like so. Next permissions. I'm going to create a group. I'm going to call it SMS Senders. And it's going to use SNS full access, like so. Create the group. And my user is going to be part of SMS Senders. Next. Next. Group and create the user. Excellent. So here we go. Here's the access key, and I will put that in here. Access key. Excellent. Now for the secret here, so copy that, and that goes here. Now to get my region, before I can get my region, I have to go into SNS. So here I'm going to type in SNS, Simple Notification Services. And I'm going to use US East 1 up there, like so. Press save on that. Now, if we look at the SNS page here, it tries to get me to enter a topic. We can just bypass that and go start with overview. What we're going to use is this bit down here, text messaging SMS. So I can click straight to it. I already sent some SMSs over the last few days. Okay, so I can go straight ahead and actually publish a text message now, but I'm not going to do that because I'm creating an API. Now, to understand the pricing, we actually pay for each message that is sent with SMS there. The pricing here is on this page here, SNS SMS pricing. And if I was to scroll down, if I was sending messages to mobile phones on the United States network, it would cost me like about half a cent, a little bit more than half a cent. But I'm not there, I'm in the United Kingdom, so let me see what that's going to cost. That's going to cost me, well, roughly, well, it's costing about 4p a message, which is quite expensive. And if you're in different countries, you can type that in as well. So expect the price to be quite high. I'm finding in the UK it works out to be about 4p a message, including tax and AWS extras. I have now entered the required information here, so I'm going to just open up a terminal here, and I'm going to go npm install. And now npm start. Rightio, so it's listing on port 3000. I'll go down here and grab this URL, this one here, and visit that in my browser. So the message equals my message, can be anything you like, anything you like. My number will be 07. And the subject will be Sean was here, and if I just press enter, okay, and that was good, so I got a message ID response. If I check my mobile telephone now, and there we go, this is a test. Anything, Sean was here. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share.